Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to convert any video into a live photo on your iPhone. This method will work any iPhone. So you need to first open your App Store, go to search option, search here to TikTok. You need to first install your TikTok. Okay. Click on to plus option, select and select a video, like select this video, press on next and next, select this post privacy and select only you and press on post. Okay, it's now post. Press on profile, click on to log option. I'm recently post this video. Just open, press on three dot, swipe. So look here, showing it to live photo option. Press on, it's loading. And now it's saved in my device. Now I'm checking. So look here, this is my video and this is my live video to photo. Now let's make it live photo.